Do you want to give your videos a bright futuristic glow? So, in this tutorial, I'll show you how to add neon effect to your video using CapCut Mobile. I promise you that it's easy and quick. Let's get started. First, open CapCut Mobile and tap New Project. Select the video you want to edit, then tap Add to import it into the timeline. Next, look at the bottom toolbar and tap Effects. Then, choose Video Effects to browse CapCut's built-in effect library. You will see different categories filled with creative visuals effects that can transform your video. Look for effects with name like neon, neon glow, RGB glow, or other glowing light effects. Once you find one you like, tap it to preview how it looks on your video. When you're happy with the result, tap the check mark to apply the effect. After applying the effect, you will see an effect layer on the timeline. Drag the left or right edge of the effect to make it shorter or longer. You can also type the Adjust button to adjust its atmosphere. After that, you're done. Don't forget to preview it before exporting. And that's how you add neon effect to your videos in CapCut Mobile. It's your turn to experiment with different neon styles. Thank you for watching and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. God bless you.